Ladies and gentlemen, Lions have taken their first loss to San Francisco, 25-19. They are no longer undefeated. The only undefeated team is the Packers. Wow. The Colts are 0-6. They got beat by Cincinnati. Carolina got beat by Atlanta. My Steelers beat Jacksonville. This is a crazy week. See you guys in a moment.